Welcome to Lottery Radio. My name is Aaron John Obiso. But if you're just joining for the very first time, you're very much welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you know when a new episode drops. So it's very interesting that in the 21st century, we still have many communities, societies, and families and individuals that still have this belief that the girl child or females or women or ladies, whatever you want to refer to them as, are not entitled to inherit the property of their late father or their deceased husband. Like, I don't know how that happens. Yes, they still have community that still say that women cannot inherit property, especially land, or cannot own lands, or yes, like, I don't understand that happens in the 21st century. Now, first of all, it's important to look at what the provision of the law says. Now, let's look at the provision of Section 42 of the Constitution. Section 42 of the Constitution is to the effect that every citizen of Nigeria is entitled to that freedom from discrimination on account of either sex, religion, ethnicity, tribe, or color. So what it means is that, yes, once a person, citizen of Nigeria, is entitled to a particular right or particular benefit, you cannot rely on the color, sex, ethnicity, tribe, or religion of that person to actually disable the person from benefiting or getting that right. So you can't deny a person a right on account of sex or any color. It's there in the Constitution. Section 42 is very clear. The question that you now ask is, so why then do we have those customs or traditions that still say that women cannot own land, that women cannot inherit land either from their late father or from their deceased husband? You have situations where communities where once the husband dies and does not have any male child, what happened? The brothers will come in and take the property. Hey, yes, our brother did this. Where were you when the brother was alive? Maybe you didn't contribute a dime, but the moment he dies, that's when you remember that the custom said, it's God that will judge you. I'm talking to Oga. Yes, chief, it's you. God will judge you. The law is clear. You cannot discriminate against the person on account of being either a male or a female, or either being black or white. The same, what is okay for the male child is also okay for the female child. That's what the Constitution is saying. It is very common in the southeastern part of Nigeria and the south. Especially in the southeast, we still have those communities that will tell you that, and yes, once the man dies and does not have any male child, a brother should be entitled to take the property. For brothers maybe no contribute kobo. But because they are brothers, will not inherit the land and vast acres of land because they are brothers and because the custom says so. No. They are Supreme Court authorities. Yes. One very popular one is the case of Ukeje versus Ukeje, which was delivered in 2014, which establishes that notwithstanding the circumstances of birth of a female child has as much right as a male child to inherit the property of her deceased father. Yes! Yes. So, all ye chiefs, brothers and cousins, in the people of the land that want to keep the private female children of their right to inherit their father's property because they don't have brothers, it is for you to learn today that you are not entitled to such. Those ladies should be given the property. They have a right to inherit their father's land. The same thing applies to married women. You have situations where in some communities, women will die, husband will die, and the same thing applies to married women. You have communities where once a man dies, they come in and tell you that by virtue of the custom, the wife is not entitled to inherit the property. For where? Says who? The law is clear. A woman is entitled to inherit the property, including the real estate of her father. And also in the case of married women, they can inherit the property of the late husband. So let us know this and know peace. Dear women, this is an eye-opener for you. In case you did not know, you better know today. You have as much right as a male child or as the male in your family to also inherit land. So when they are sharing property, it is okay for you to come and say, oh, where is my entitlement? Yes, the Constitution guarantees your right. It says that you shall not be discriminated against because you are a woman. So you can hold on to the provision of Section 42 to actually enforce your rights to the inheritance of your father or late husband. So I hope this is an eye-opener, and I hope you've been able to learn something from this particular episode, which is the fact that women has as much right to own and inherit landed property just as the male child has the right to do so. So notwithstanding whether, yes, she's the only child, or she's the ada, or there's no male child, a woman can inherit the property of a late father or a husband. Don't forget, this is Locked in Nigeria. My name is Aaron John Obi Soba. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Share to people. And if you feel this, yes, you have an opinion that is different, drop it in the comment section. Let's see your reaction, and we will have that discussion. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.